Hi, Olivia. I'm going to try to read this off the computer because the iPad that I might be reading it off of is being used as a camera. So, this is the last two lines of the Watchman's song. And what we want to work on here is just having a very consistent, even tempo. So, let's try the right hand by itself, and we're going to go at about this speed. One, ready, play. And now we're going to do the left hand, starting with the G sharp. And again, if your copy has got fingerings, go ahead and pay attention to those fingerings and just strive to keep your eye and your brain always moving a little bit ahead. One, two, ready, play. Now that third to last measure's got a lot of challenges in it. So let's just take that measure, the third to last measure. You want the fingering, it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you could use 1, 2, 4, 5. I would probably put a 4 there. And it looks like they're suggesting you go from 5 on A to 5 on G, and you can kind of do that with your wrist. So trying your hands together would be like... And then let's back up and do the pickup to the last 4 measures. One, ready, play. Whoa, I just hit a wrong note there. Let's try that again. One, ready, play. Now at this point, you probably should stop the video and practice those 4 bars until you can do them without hesitating and without making a wrong note. Now we're going to back up to the same spot, the same type of spot. So it'll be the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 measures. The pickup to the last 8 measures going from B to E. Oh, don't do this to me. One, ready, play. When you hit this dotted half note, set your brain to looking at the G sharp and planning how you're going to get there. Don't sit on this for 3 full counts and then think about how you're going to move your hand to the G sharp. The minute you hit this chord, your brain is going G sharp. We're going to move to the G sharp so that you can move there in time without having to pause. So I'll back up and do those 8 bars again, the pickup to the last 8 bars. One, ready, play. moving. Okay, now we're going to add from the beginning of that section. This is, after the intermezzo. So the first 4 bars are kind of tricky too, so we'll go a little bit slower. 1, ready, play. The same type of thinking ahead has to happen in the second to last line, 1, 2, 3, the 4th bar, when you go from that B, D sharp B to the B. And you don't have 3 beats to think about it in. So once you hit this note, think B. You have to think ahead and get to that B right away. So good luck. Try practicing along with this and see if it helps.